Yeah. Highlight reel.
Off third, Mark Anderson.
Woo! Ethan Bishop.
I'm up last.
You're up. Good shot.
Come on back, baby. Great shot.
I think that's in. I think it's in. Yeah, I think it's in.
Oh, that's I think that's out, right? Did it look out?
There is.
Yeah, Ryan. Playing all along.
Yeah, I have a 70-footer. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'm down here at the green, technically actually the sand. This plays that you need to make it into the sand trap to be safe on your hopefully second shot. In some cases, a couple people are actually shooting for 3 because they went OB. But Justin's pretty much parked. He's got maybe a 5-foot putt. Mark has gone OB, so he'll be shooting from here, from the drop zone. And then Ryan's probably got about a 50-footer, and Ethan's right in front of him. And of course, you know, not much action to be told from the putting on the first hole. So we'll see if they've got their putting gears going right now. We'll watch Mark.
No.
Great putt.
Not how I planned that out, but it worked.
I don't know what's going on.
That's up there.
It's a plus.
There you go.
There's
Oh, it's got a good angle for us to.
Why did I do it?
Sit.
You say?
Yeah.
Nice. Be good. Well done.
Are you playing this?
Safe.
But
Don't put it dead center. I guess they want to put it out.
Slipping slides out metro. On a flight that I was next on. You don't smile when you get text from me. They just give you anxiety. Just so much to see the micro. Realize it's a black hole. You don't smile when you get text from me. They just give you anxiety. Going away, but it's alright though. Starting to shake and not be painful. Happy flow, wish I'd been able to give you more and keep you stable. I don't trust just anybody. Circle tight just like the money. Plenty ones, they wanna climb me. Pull the rope and I've been climbing. Many times I wanna let go. I don't learn it at the get-go. Where I've been, where I should get though. Keep me
Yeah, here we are. We're at the drop zone at hole 6. I know we've seen a lot of the drop zones today, but this course is littered with OB. This is the DGPT layout, and to be honest, this course has just a ton of artificial OB just to begin with. It's just gotten harder with this layout. But yeah, so Justin has definitely gone OB. He's actually just past these rocks. Kind of unfortunate. It's going to put him at the drop zone. Same thing with Ethan. He really probably didn't have a chance to begin with. I mean, just getting around this corner, he just pulled it a little, he threw a little too high. But behind me on the right, Ryan, he's got probably a 25, 28 foot putt. Who knows? With the momentum he's been going right now, or he's been going on a pretty good momentum, maybe he's going for this putt and really just kind of starting to put nails in the coffin. But behind me on the right, Mark's throwing a good shot too. And at this point, Mark probably just needs to get a few pars in the row, get a few pars in a row, and then get his confidence built again. Mark's a big thrower. I've played with him on this course, and I've seen him do really well here. It just hasn't been his day at the moment, but we're still early in the round. We're at hole 6. Here the guys come.
Slipping slides like natural.
Tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrow. Stay the shaky and vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long.
Yeah, guys, they all threw pretty good shots. Mark got a little pinched off on the left, which is definitely going to make a problem for his next shot, he's probably gonna have to hang it out pretty far wide because there is OB on the left, and really it's just right where the scrub starts. So yeah, looking at his shot, he's probably just gonna have to go out so far right. It could make it a little bit challenging to get a, you know, close to the pin for a good putt. But everybody else pretty much stacked up right in the same place. To be honest, I thought a couple people would throw backhands. I thought that Justin would, just because for the most part he's predominantly forehand, and you know, he's got a lot of great turnover shots, up high shots, and the same thing with Ryan. I expected to see the same thing out of him, but I think that the fact that nobody's really jumping up and not getting too many birdies, I think people are just kind of trying to hold it together and wait for an opportunity to come. And maybe that's on this shot. So back to you guys.
Fight at all.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride. This Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side.
Oh, wowza.
This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time.
All according to plan.
This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the ride. This one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife. Could've left 1,000 times just about my side. This one's for the grind. I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different. I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken. Authentic like a 5950, and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones.
Woo!
Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the they done baptized the bad guy. Still don't follow religion. The fabric's not average. The cotton's Egyptian.
500 for the shoes, come dirty, but the European. Less is more and less is the bank. Up the score, I pull up from Trey. From the tray, I'm ballin' like Trey. Do what I can, I do what you can't. I wrote this 30,000 feet up. 10 toes, stay G'd up. I'm tryna get that type of wealth, like a house on the hills, can't see us. Say the money still me up. Stay humble, stay teed up. I don't tell you how to live, so don't hit me with no weak stuff. And if you know the deal, then you know the deal.